Ever stumbled upon a productivity app so versatile it feels like a digital Swiss Army knife? Notion might be that app for you. But with all its bells and whistles, whispers of a free plan limit can leave you wondering. Is this a freemium friend for life, or a fleeting fling? Fear not, fellow organization enthusiasts. Today's deep dive tackles the free tier of Notion, exploring its limitations and how you can leverage it for maximum benefit. Buckle up and get ready to unlock the free Notion life. Unlimited Notion bliss for most. Let's address the elephant in the room first. Can you use Notion for free forever? The answer for most individual users is a resounding yes. Notion offers a generous free plan that lets you create unlimited pages. Imagine it, a bottomless well for your notes, projects, and wildest organizational fantasies. Block party. Understanding the free plan's nuances. But hold on a second. There's a tiny detail to consider. Blocks. Think of blocks as the building blocks of your Notion world. Text, headings, to-do lists, databases, they're all blocks. Now, here's the catch. While individuals on the free plan have unlimited pages, there used to be a limit on the total number of blocks you could create. The blockpocalypse that never came. Fret not, fellow Notion aficionados. In a user-friendly move, Notion recently removed the block limit for individual free plan users. This means you can go wild, creating as many intricate databases, colorful boards, and text-heavy wikis as your heart desires. Collaboration crossroads. When free meets teams, the plot thickens when you consider collaboration. Notion's free plan allows you to share your workspace with up to 5 guests, perfect for brainstorming with friends or getting client feedback. However, if you want to truly collaborate with a team, there's a twist. The team trial. A taste of the premium life. Notion offers a free team trial that unlocks collaborative features for a limited time. This is a great way to test the waters of teamwork within Notion before committing to a paid plan. But remember, it's just a trial, and once it expires, the free plan reverts to limitations on block count for teams. Free plan hacks. Getting the most out of your workspace. So, you're a solo Notion warrior, ready to conquer your to-do list on the free plan. Here are some tips to maximize your experience. Embrace templates. Notion boasts a thriving community that creates fantastic templates for everything from project management to habit trackers. Leverage these free resources to jumpstart your Notion journey. Master the database. Notion's databases are a game changer. Use them to organize anything from book collections to workout routines. Integrate with your workflow. Notion connects seamlessly with other productivity tools like Slack, making it a central hub for your digital life. The paid perks. When free isn't enough. While the free plan is fantastic, there are situations where paid plans offer advantages. Here's when you might consider upgrading. Storage needs. Uploading large files or needing more than 5 megabytes per attachment requires a paid plan. Collaboration cravings. If you work with a large team, the block limit and guest restrictions on the free plan might become hurdles. Version history hero. Need to access past versions of your work for longer than a week? That's a paid plan perk. Notion's free plan is a powerful tool for individual users, offering unlimited pages, blocks, and collaboration with a small guest list. For teams or those with specific storage or version control needs, paid plans offer additional benefits. Ultimately, Notion's free plan is a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to boost their productivity and organization. So, unleash your inner organizer, explore the free plan's potential, and see if Notion becomes your forever productivity buddy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.